Hello, good evening. I am Rashi Sandip Chudewal. Today's date is 11/8/2021. Our today's video topic is static. So, in today's video, we will see what is static keyword in Java and what is in their static can be. So, we will start with our today's topic, that is static. So, the static keyword in Java is used for a memory management. Mainly, we can apply static keyword with variables, methods, blocks, and nested classes. The static keyword belongs to the class that an instance of the class. Okay, I repeat my point. Um the static keyword belongs to the class, then an instance of the class. So the static can be variable in also known as a class variable, method, and second one that is also method, also can a class method we can say, and the third one that is block, and the fourth one that is nested class. We will see one by one every point. So first we will see Java static variable. If you declare any variable as a static, it is known as a static variable. Okay, so the static variable can be used to prefer the common we can say as common property of all objects, which is not unique for each object. For example, we can see the company name of employees, college, and ID, or we can say a student. It is cannot be we can say same. It should be a static. Now the static variable gets memory only once and the class area at the time of class loading. So now we will see some advantages of static variable. It makes your program memory efficient. That is, it saves memory. So we will see on next point, that is Java static property is shared to all objects. Now next we will see what we can next, that is static method. Okay, so can you tell me what is Java static method? If you apply a static keyword with any method, it is known as a static method. So a static method belongs to the class rather than the object of a class. So a static method can be invoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. And the third one, a static method can access static data member and can change the value of it. And the next one that we will see, that is there are restrictions for the static method. That is, there are two main restrictions for the static method. They are: a static method cannot use non-static data member or call static method directly. Next, that is these and super cannot be used in a static context. The next point, that is why is the Java main method class? Why is the Java main method static? Can you tell me why it is the static? It is because the object is not required to call a static method. If it were a non-static method, JVM creates an object first, then call main method, and that will lead the problem of extra memory allocations. Now we will see Java static block is used to initialize the static data member. And the next point, that is it is used, or we can say it is executed before the main method at the time of class loading. Now the next, that is we will see can we execute a program without main method? No. Once the way was the static block, but it was possible till JDK 1.6, and since JDK 1.7 it is not possible to execute Java class without the main method. So thank you for today.